Okay, so we've got an upright shoot growing on a lateral branch. Cut it. There we go. And then, so that thing is under pencil thickness. It's ideal. And then we've got to just snap them off. Snap them off like that without doing any damage to the bud. So what we want is the bud to look like there we go. That's what we want it to look like. And then you need to get all these leaves off so that the buds end up looking like that. And let's take the rest of these off. And then that bud stick needs to quickly go into a plastic bag, and it needs to get out of the sun. It must be, and preferably go into a cold room of about 3 or 4 degrees as soon as possible. And then just chop off the top. Alright, and there you have your bud stick. I guess there are about 12 buds on this stick. This is sort of on the thin side. You can get slightly thicker branches. This was off a very slightly poor tree.